Hello everyone. In today's session, we will see membership operators in Python. So what are membership operators? So membership operators are operators used to validate the membership of a value. It will check for the membership in a sequence. Now that sequence can be string, list or tuple. So for tuples, we will see in coming session more details about the tuples. So just remember that membership operators are the operators used to validate the presence or the membership of that specific value. So there are two operators, that is in and not in. So in operator, if used, it will return true if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object. For example, if we take x in y, so the value of x, if that is present in the sequence which is present in y, then this statement will return true. And if the value of x is not present in the sequence of the values which are present in y, then that will return false. Not in is exactly opposite to in operator. So not in, it will return true if sequence with the specified value is not present in the object, and if that value is present, then it will return false. So let's see practically, then I think we will understand in better way. So I'm going to open PyCharm. Now let's create one new file. Let's name that file as membership operator demo.py. So we have created one file. Now let's say I'm going to have one string variable. Let's say a contains the string value, that is, let's say welcome to channel Qtomation, right? So this variable a that holds the string value of welcome to channel Qtomation. Now I want to check whether I'm going to have one more variable, let's say b, which holds the value of welcome. Now I'm going to use one statement. I'm going to use, let's say, a in b. So what this statement will do? So this statement will check whether the value of a is present in the sequence in the value of b, right? So sorry, we have written in opposite way. So I will just check whether b in a, right? So this will check whether the value of b, that is welcome, right? So b holds the value of welcome. So if the value of b is present in a, in that case it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So now let's print the statement and let's check the value. So if you see, the b is holding the value of welcome, and this value is present in this sequence, right? So if you see, the value of b is present in this sequence or in a, so this statement will return true because, right, so b value is present in a, that means this will return true. Similarly, if I use, let's say, print, let's use not in operator. So I'm going to use not in a. So this time second statement will return the value as false because this will return true, because currently the value of b, that is welcome, is present in a. So this statement is going to return false, whereas if we use the print b in a, right, so this will return true because the value of b is present in this a. So what I am going to do now, let's say I am going to change this value. So I am writing here where I am changing the value of b to hello, correct? So when I change the value of b to hello and when I use b in a, now this time hello, right? So hello is not present anywhere in this sequence or anywhere in the value of a, right? So this statement will return false, whereas this statement will return true. Now let's run this file. Correct. So first statement is returning false because now the value of b, that is hello, is not present anywhere in this sequence, right? So it is not present in a. So that's why this will return false. So this statement will return false this time. But when we use print b not in a, right, so this is true because the value of hello is not present in a. So that's why this statement, that is B not in A will return true. So this is how we can use in and not in operators. Now I am going to change example little bit. Now let's say A contains, so I am going to define A as a list now, right? So I am going to change A is a list of, let's say, apple, banana, right? So A is basically a list which contains the value of apple, banana and mango. And let's check whether B is holds. I'm going to check now. Let's give the value of B as a orange. Now when I use this statement, that is print B in A, so what this statement will do, it will see whether the value of B, that is orange, is present in A or not. So orange present in A? Not, right? So this statement will return false, whereas this statement will return true because the value of B, that is orange, is not present in A. So let's run this file so we can see, right? So this statement will return false because the value of B, that is orange, is not present in A, correct? And similarly B not in A will return true because the value of B is not present in A, correct? Now I'm going to change the value of B. Now let's say I'm going to use apple. So this time the value of B, that is apple, is present in this list, right, in A. So when I run this file, it will return true because the value of apple, that is B, is present in A. So this will return true, whereas when we check this statement, that is B not in A, this will return false because the value of apple is present in A. So obviously this statement is going to return the false. So this is how we can use in and not in operator. So in and not in operators are membership operators that are used to validate the membership of a value. So we have seen that, right? So it will check the membership of that specific value in a sequence. If that value is present, then it will return true, and if it is not present, then it will return false. Similarly, not in. So not in is opposite of in. If the value of that specified object or variable is present in another sequence, then it will return false. If it is not present, then it will return true because that the sequence with the specified value is not present in that object. So this is how we can use membership operator in and not in to check the membership or the presence of a specific value in specified sequence. In coming session, we will see about bitwise operator in Python. So thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos.